Alright, this is what the aloe vera plant is currently potted in. This is the pot that I'm going to put the aloe vera in. But before I do that, I'm going to have to make some holes because there's no holes in here. I'm going to go ahead and use my soldering iron. It's already plugged in here. You might want to do this outside because it does cause a smell, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it in here. So I got this from Family Dollar, I believe. You can always use a drill if you want to for this, but I am going to go ahead and just use. Go ahead and mix the soil. I don't have enough cactus soil, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix some of this regular potting soil in with some perlite. And then I'll put all of the cactus soil in. This already has perlite in there, but we're just gonna go ahead and put more in there since this is a succulent type plant. I don't know why they tie my hair up. It's super hot and humid out here. Oops. Way too much. Well, it's more than I expected to put in there. You want to make sure that the soil is well draining because it is a succulent. So even when you do water it thoroughly, you want to make sure that it is able to drain out. So make sure there's a good amount of holes and that the soil is well draining. So put a little bit of that in here. Alright. I feel like it'll get a little bit bigger if it has room to grow. Then I'm making a mess. Luckily, I'm getting ready to water all my succulents anyway, so it's kind of worked out. But I am super sweaty, and I've only been out here for like, I don't know, 5 minutes. The amount of sweat that I sweat. All right, so should be good to go the way it is.